Ella, we're going to the dentist today. Bye-bye.
Show your tooth. This will be fixed later.
This will be fixed later when we go to the dentist. Bye.
Magdanay na.
Hi.
We're here at the dentist.
We're here at the dentist.
Go inside.
Opo.
Oh, that's sweet. Hello.
Natatakot pa nga po nung una.
Wala, it's not scary, I promise.
Are you scared pa?
I'm not.
Wow, I'm not. Say hi. Hindi ko. Paano po ba ang ginagawa sa...
Okay lang naman.
I'll check the teeth. Okay, sige.
No problem. Sige, lang ha. Baby, tignan nga natin yung baby na yan. Ganda-ganda ng baby na yan. Excuse me.
Ito pala.
Sige, sir. One more.
Oh, it's so pink.
Yes, it's pink. Hey, so can I help you today? Dentist now. So, I can promise you one thing today. We won't do anything ouchy. Okay ba yun? I will just tickle like this your teeth. Okay ba yun? Tickle lang natin kasi I don't want the worms to eat your teeth. Okay ba yun? Ganda naman ng bangs mo. Ha? Okay, sige. I'll just check your teeth, ha? Ang bait naman eh.
I'll just be here.
No. Very good yan eh. Tsaka very good, mommy and dad. Ay, sige. Oh, parang weird lang. Sige, sundan ka. Sorry, sabihin kita na lang po. Sige, sundan ka. Whee! Ayan na, sige. Oh. Para ka nasa rides, no? No, parang... Yeah, you're brave. Yes, you are. And I'm proud of you. High five. Good job. Okay, you're brave. Okay, so tingnan natin. So, I'll just check on your teeth. Pabaro ako ng glasses. Para hindi siya masilip. Kahit alin dun, yung pink or yung purple. Yan. So, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put a mirror like this inside your mouth so we can see it better. Sige, you touch the mirror, ha? See? Ay, sige, practice ka nga. Ikaw nga kunyari. Try putting it inside your mouth. See? Just like that, diba? No yayay. Ganyan ang gagawin nito. You can see it? Ganito. Sige. Balik rin natin. Ayan, sige. Yan, ganyan, no? Oh. Ganyan lang gagawin ni doktor. Okay ba yun? Di ba, no ouchie? O, ganun lang. Okay, o sige nga. O, si Dr. Stern naman. Oo, para hindi ka masisilaw sa light.
So pretty.
Yes, you are pretty. Look at the mirror. Who's that pretty baby? Oh, very good. Good job. Okay. Tingnan natin yung teeth mo, ha? Sige. Open, please. Ay, ang galing naman. Ang galing talaga. Okay, although first time niya ma'am, no? First time niya po. Kung first time niya kasi sometimes, what I actually saw, she has cavities. Although dalawa lang naman. For first timers, ma'am, I would not suggest ma'am na biglain natin siya. Kasi imagine mo ma'am, like kahit adults ma'am, di ba takot tayo bilang adults na yung rest
Like a river.
So if ever ma'am, what we can do is clean it already. Tapos, yun lang ma'am, papakita ko po sa inyo ni sir. Or si sir, if you'd like to stay here para makita niyo yung ano po. What I'm going to put inside. Sige, open wider. Let's pretend you're eating hot dog. Or burger, I mean. Sige. How do you eat a burger? You open very wide, di ba? Or what's your favorite food? What's your favorite
Spaghetti.
food? Spaghetti. Let's pretend we're eating spaghetti. So what I want you to do is to open really, really wide. Okay ba yun? Sige, open po. Yan. O, paano palaki pa konti? Yan. So far naman po, ayan po, yung mga right side na teeth niya, we're doing okay. It's more of, ha? It's broken! Yeah! Mamaya, papakita ko sa'yo.
Look at the camera so you
So
can
far po yung mga right, okay. Itong left lang po kung manonotice natin. Wait lang, i-capture ko lang po ha. So this one po is a cavity. So ito po yung upper left niya. Nice. Ano? Oh no! Oh no!
The dentist will fix it.
Oo.
Doc will help you.
Tapos sa baba naman po, yung sa baba lang po, yun tayo medyo doubtful.
Opo.
Kasi if you will notice po, open my dear. Sorry po sa voice ko ha, hindi ka lang po kasi. Grabe init.
Oo nga.
Ayan po. So, ito
The
po,
broken tooth look.
medyo doubtful po tayo with regards to this. Kasi kung mapapansin po natin, mas malalim siya. Ang difference po, ay sige mamaya, ipakita ko lang rin. Sige,
The
open.
mirror.
Pakita ko po sa inyo mamaya kung bakit medyo doubtful tayo, kung ano po yung dyan po. Kasi, yan. Pero yung other teeth, yan po. Pen. Ha? Yan. Yung iba po okay naman eh. Yung dalawang yun lang po talaga yung problematic.
It's really big.
Oh, your tooth is really brave. Yeah, I noticed that. So, ganito po kasi siya. Kapag may sira, it looks like inside. So, what happens po kasi, may tatlong layer po ang ipin natin. May tatawag na enamel, yung labas po. Yung gitna yung dentin. Yes, it is. There's a worm inside. I saw a worm. Paano yun? Tapos yung loob po is yung pulp. So, nandun po yung buhay ng ipin. Ang difference lang po, this one kasi is an adult model. Sa kids po, ganito rin yung teeth nila. It's just that
Like we're on the beach.
we're on the beach, yeah. Di ba? Kunyari relax ka. Paano yung relax sa beach? Ayun, taas mo yung kamay mong gano'n. O, yan. O, sige. O, kunyari nasa beach ka. Sarap, no? You're doing great. Okay. So, kapag may sira po kasi, if ever enamel and dentin layer lang po, safe siyang pastahan. Ang problema po, kung kunyari yung sira, nandun sa pulp. For the reason na kapag tinapalan po kasi natin yan, ito po, yung cavity dyan sa area na ng root, hindi na po siya kasi naaabot. So, nangyayari po, ito, bababa lang siya, nagkakaroon ng abscess, nagkakaroon ng infection. So, yun lang po, yung dito, medyo doubtful po tayo kasi looking at it pa lang po, mukhang malalim siya eh. But then, we can confirm naman po with an x-ray.
Okay.
Kung, yun lang, unfortunately, kung nandito siya, meron kasi tinatawag na parang root canal sa bata if you're interested in it. Or sometimes, kapag sumakit na lang, hindi ko rin inaano agad. Basta yun, ayoko na sabihin yung term kasi ayoko mag-isip siya. So, minsan gano'n ang ending. But then, ako naman, hindi ko basta-basta, ginagawa natin yun. Kung, kunyaring, nagreklamo po ba siyang masakit yun?
Hindi pa naman po.
Hindi naman, that's good. So, if ever po kasi, ginagawa ko, hindi rin tayo basta-basta nagtatanggal dahil for the reason na kapag early po kasi natin tinanggal, na lilate yung tubo nung sa nung kasunod po. And pangalawa, na lumiliit yung space ng jaw. Kasi physically space maintainer din po siya eh. So, imagine natin, it's a growing child. So, liliit po yung jaw niya, pwede magsungki-sungki yung teeth niya in the future. So, yun, ginagawa ko lang, last resort na siya. Like, tipong kunyari, nagsuswell na, nakailang antibiotics na tayo. Kasi minsan nagagamot pa siyang antibiotics eh. Pero kung hindi po talaga yun lang, parang last lang. Kasi syempre, ayoko rin naman nabibuild yung fear ng bata or whatsoever. So yun po, if ever last resort yun. Kasi pag pinastahan ko, looking at it pa lang, hindi malabo, magsuswell yan, ma'am. Kasi imagine mo, parang tinulong mo yung infection dun sa ilalim. So yung sa baba, for observation po, or we can take an x-ray if you'd like, para mas malaman natin yung actual treatment. Pero yung taas, next meeting, pwede natin, wag natin biglain yung bata po. Kasi first time, minsan naiinip din sila kasi. So ang suggestion ko po for today, pwede natin i-cleaning na siya, saka fluoride po. Tapos next appointment, at least pasta naman yung taas. Tapos next appointment, tingnan natin yung baba. Para hindi siya masyadong, kasi namasaan, lalo na first time niya, gusto ko yung na-enjoy niya eh. Kapag natandaan niya, ay hindi, na-enjoy ko to. Kaya next meeting, diretso na ako, wala na akong problema. Yun yung, may papikit-pikit.
Kala mo naiintindihan niyo talaga.
So yun po, hindi naman sana, actually very good nga po. At this age, nadala natin si dentist kasi Yung iba, alam niyo yun, too late na. Meron na mga 7-year-old, wala na pong natirang maayos baby. Parang ako, siyempre yung puso ko rin kapag yung ganong procedure. Kasi talagang minsan, alam mo yun, normal naman sa bata, kahit adult, magano. Eh pag maliliit kasi, lalong na ano yung puso ko, na parang, hala, parang ganun. So let's clean your teeth. Pero minimum lang naman po yung cleaning niya po. So ang cleaning po is nasa 1 po, kasi fluoride nasa 1. Tapos si fluoride po, once a year lang yun. Ang cleaning ang every 6 months. Si fluoride po, ang purpose naman niya, parang yung kinukoat niya yung tooth para mag-iba yung structure, mas matigas yung ipin, hindi agad magkakaroon ng cavities. Yun yung ano niya. So okay naman po sila doon. So far po ba may mga tanong tayo? Baka pwede kong ma-address.
Yung ano mo, yung anong pwedeng gamitin na magandang toothpaste?
Saka toothbrush.
Toothbrush? Actually, yung toothbrush for kids, definitely. Kasi
Yung ganun.
pag yung malalaki po, yung pang-adult, imagine natin hindi abot yung likod. So kahit nga adult, di ba, minsan hindi natin maabot yung likod. So imagine sa kid, although, pamaya meron siya sa ano tawag dito. Tapos po, yung toothpaste naman, any kids toothpaste po.
Yung pwede.
Hindi ko lang sinasuggest yung, for her naman kasi, wala naman siyang fluorosis. Sinasuggest ko lang yung, meron kasi mga toothpaste na no fluoride. So yung no fluoride, kapag yung may fluorosis po, ha? You're brave, yes you are. I believe so too. Yung fluorosis kasi hindi naman sa ano, dapat kasi once a year lang naman talaga si fluoride. If ever lang na kunyari, yung iba kasi nagugulat ako, 3 months. Kung for oral hygiene yung bata, yun talaga, magti 3 months tayo. Pero kung okay naman yung ano, it's basically for her 8.
How many times?
How many? Kahit 2 to 3 times a day. Sa morning, after mo mag-breakfast, and then sa night, before you sleep. Okay, huwag tayo mag-sleep nang hindi nagbabrush. Okay ba yan? Sige,
Are you sleeping?
Sleeping.
So I'll just
Just clean.
Oo, I'll just brush your teeth or I'll just clean your teeth para walang mga worms na magigit sa teeth mo. Okay ba yun? So mamaya meron lang sound saka water. Gagawin ka parang tikaw ko like this yung teeth mo. Okay yun? Okay lang? Sige, let's do it. Sige po.
Say hi, baby.
Bait naman eh. Brave eh. Your tooth is brave, di ba? Sabi mo? Yan. Thank you. O, tikal-tikal lang yung teeth, ha? Tapos, what ate will be holding is Mr. Straw para hindi ka maipunan ng laway. Alright? Okay, ang bait. Sige, sandali. Tulog-tulog ka muna. Kunyari, paano yung nasa beach? Ayan, ganyan ka lang. Titikal ko lang ha. Toothpickler lang to, hindi yayay ko. I promise, okay? Pag may yayay, what I want you to do is to raise your foot. Sige nga, anong gagawin mo pag may yayay, kunyari? Sige, taas mo. Sabihin mo, kunyari may ouchie. Ganun mo. Okay?
Something is ouchie love ha.
Okay? Sige ha, titikal ko lang ha. May konting water lang, Didi ha. Sige, ate, yung straw, si Mr. Straw. Alright, let's do it, my dear. Sige, open po. Sige, straw tayo. Ay, ang tapang naman. Ika lang, ilang ba? Ikaw naman, hindi pa ako nag-start. Wala. Ha?
I'm just laughing.
Just laughing. Kayo naman. Small thing. Sige, hindi lang ha. Sige, open wide. Ayun, ganyan lang ha. Tickle. Bye-bye, worms. Bye-bye, dirt. Very good. Ang galing ng baby, oh. Kaya mo yun, ate. Ate Sophie, oh. Sige, close your lips. Sit like a straw. Alright, good job. Saan mga batang ganito? Saan na yun? Natawa siya. Open. Tikal lang. Tikal. Ay, good job. Ay, sige, open po ulit. Ay, thank you po. Ang galing. Ang galing talaga ng baby. Oh, I'm so proud. You're so brave. Ikaw dito, okay lang? Okay lang? Okay, close your lips. Sip. Alright. Oh, chill na chill, oh. Sarap sa beach. Open. Sige, hindi, sorry. Sige, auntie lang. Dito. Sige, open po. Thank you po. Yan na, tikal-tikal ko lang ha, para walang ants. Yan, sige, close your lips. Good job. Sige, open. Ano yan? Close your lips. Ano yan? What's that? Yeah, there's a lot of water. That's why Mr. Shaw will be helping us para wala masyadong water. No? Sige, open. Ang cute mo. Okay, close your lips. Good job. Sige, sip, sip. Sip. Alright, good job. Ang galing, oh. Sige, open po ulit. Ito lang, ha. Okay. Tikal-tikal lang dito. Tikal-tikal na tube. Ang galing. Very brave, oh. Okay. Ang galing talaga, Mommy Daddy. Ay, sorry. Okay, close. Pabigyan mo ito close here, ha? Sige, open. Kasi yung water mag-spill. Ayan. Okay. Open po. Thank you po. Right there po. Thank you very much. Alright, okay. Good job. Wait lang, may auntie lang dito ha. Tanggalin ko lang dito. Ang kunin naman. Very good. Ayan. Okay, close your lips. Hindi naman po siya nagbabottle pa po, no? Nag-chuchupon po. Very good. Hindi kasi maano po eh. Minsan yung ganyan kid nag-chuchupon po, di ba? Kasi nakakasira din. Grabe kasi yung nut ngayon po. Masyadong natamis. Yes, sir, James.
Feeding naman po siya na
Ay.
hanggang 2 years. Ay, almost 3 years na ako.
Opo, hindi very good yun, ma'am. Kasi kadalasan kasi yung mga formula fed, yun yung kadalasan po na sirap.
Opo.
Alright, so brush ko lang yung teeth mo para they are shiny and bright, okay? This is the tooth polisher.
Ay, ganun sila.
Ang galing naman, ang brave yun, no? Para shiny and bright yung teeth mo, okay? Thank you po. Ang galing po. Ayun po. Sinong brave girl? Yes. Ha? May count? It's okay. Ang clean kasi yan para shiny and bright yung teeth mo. Do you want your teeth to be shiny? Yeah? Okay, sige. Let's make it shiny. Kunti lang ha. Brush lang. Brush. 3 times a day. Diba? Sabi nila. Sige, kunti lang ha. Yan lang. Brush. Good job. Sinong shiny ang teeth? Si Jana. Ikaw, no? No, ikaw lang eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, no, Ouchie, I promised you. Yan, no? Sino may shiny teeth? Okay, ikaw. Can you give me a smile? Right? Thank you po. Sige, bite. Bite po, bite. Yan, very good. Thank you so much. Alright. Great job. Sige, gargle well. You know how to gargle? Marunong mag-gargle. Sige, gargle mo mabuti para at least, mawala yung oo. Sige, gargle ka dun. Gargle. Good job. Yan, okay. Congrats po. Nasurvive niya yung first cleaning niya. So yung next po is what we call Hindi, actually, to be honest po, mas okay yung mga kanyang edad. Kasi yung mga older, kasi pag older po, tapos first time nila, hindi mas bigyan ko. So, pag ganyan po, lumusunod agad sila kadalasan. Napansin ko yun eh. Sabi ko, akala ko yung mga 7, mas older. Yung mga 3 or 4, parang sila yung mas masunurin. Okay. Sige, wipe mo pa ate. Okay? So, ito po yung fluoride for transparency. So, once a year, walang masakit dito sa, lang siya, pinawipe ko. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint your teeth. Okay ba yun? Para strong sila. Yun lang po, bawal siya mag-gargle and kain and inom for 30 minutes na pa. Okay, sige. Ko lang ha, i-paint ko lang yung teeth mo para strong sila. Okay? Sige, sandal ka muna. Sandal. Yan, ganyan lang siya. Paint. This one is strawberry flavor. Medyo sticky lang, pero yeah, isipin mo, this will make your teeth very strong. Tapos itago mo na yung pang-gargle para hindi siya magagawa. Tapos gamihan natin yung sa may sira. Yun, ang brave, oh. Who's the brave girl? Huh? Smells so good. Yeah, it tastes like strawberry too, no? Anak, sinisira eh. Brave, oh. Alright, great job. You're done. You can spit pero no gargling ha. Are you okay? You're okay ka pa. Hindi ka na nagsasalita. Okay ka ba? Are you okay? You're done. Good job. Oh, see, we're finished. See? There's nothing to be scared about. No? Okay na po siya. So, yun po is... You're not scared. I know, right? You're just brave yun. So, dadaan-dahan talaga natin siya. Kasi yun lang ang worry ko yun niya. Pagka pinasta agad yung first, Bajan kat adult, di ba parang gumagano'n tayo? Good job, oh. See? Ay, wait lang. I-fix ko yung chair, baka mahulog ka. Oh, see? You're done na. Oh. See? You're not scared because it's nothing to be scared of, di ba? It's moving, see? Just like rides. Oh. Whee! 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 Parang rides, no? Alright, you're all good for today. Good job! I'm so proud. Ang galing ng baby.
Hello, my friends. I'm brave. Look at my teeth. There's no black now. Perfect.